Hi DJ. Today I will show you how to easily replace and repair a broken stereo 3.5mm TRS jack for these Audio-Technica ATH-M50 headphones, but this technique can be used for any headphones with a 3.5mm 3-pole jack. As you can see, the existing plug is completely damaged and one side not working of the headphones, but don't worry. Today I will show you how to replace this jack very easy and your headphones will be as good as new or even better. If you were getting mad about the regular problems with the broken 3.5mm jack, then you can make a detachable cable mod for these headphones and forget about the broken jacks. Because you can just connect a new cable to the headphones for a few dollars every time when the jack is damaged. As you can see, the ear pads on these headphones are also completely dead, but don't worry, I have a video on how to replace pads. To improve the comfort and sound of the headphones, because old, damaged ear pad cushions also affect the sound of the headphones, not only the comfort. But now back to business. To repair these headphones you will need a new replacement 3.5mm jack. They come in different types and prices. I'll go for this one, because this jack is exactly as it was originally. 3.5mm jack with a screw on 6.35mm or 1/4 inch. This one replacement is even better than the original jack as it is made of metal and has a cable support spring. You will still need to get a soldering toolkit from your grandmother, but remember you must be at least 18 years old to do soldering, or have your parents near you when doing this repair. Some heat shrink tubing will also be useful. Links to all the materials are in the video description. Once all the tools are in place, start by cutting off the old, damaged jack. Then grab the cable near the headphone body and stretch it. This way the excess outer rubber jacket is loosened. This will improve the lifetime of the repaired headphones. Then make sure you put the 3.5mm jack housing on the cable, because after soldering it will be impossible to do and you will have to start repair over again. Then remove the cable outer jacket with a sharp paper knife. As you can see, this was all the excess rubber that you loosened by stretching the cable. But now, with 110% precision, carefully remove the cable outer jacket so as not to damage the internal wires. The inner wires should be separated by color, but very carefully. Because one small wire on the wrong color wires can cause the headphones to not work properly after repair. The result should be 3 wires, red, gold and blue. Then tin all the wires, that will make it easier to solder them to the jack contacts. The blue and red wires are only tin at the end side. But the gold wire needs to be tin at the cable base as it is a ground wire. Then tin all the 3.5mm jack contacts. This will make soldering easier and give better soldering quality. Then cut a small length of heat shrink tubing. Use a pliers to stretch tubing bigger and put it on the cable. Then cut off the excess length of gold wire and solder this gold wire to the corresponding jack ground contact. Then using a jack clamp, tighten the cable so that it locks well and the headphones last longer. Then tin the blue color wire so that it is long enough to reach the left channel jack contact. Cut the extra length of the blue wire. Solder this wire to the left channel contact. Then solder the red wire to the right channel contact. Then take your grandfather's nail polish and cover the wires with it to prevent future short circuits. Then apply a little superglue to the cable and clamp. Put a heat shrink tubing over the clamp. This will give a very good fixing of the cable and a long-lasting life. Then apply super glue to the contacts and heat shrink tubing and screw the jack housing tight. This way it will be glued and will not unscrew. Then connect the headphones to the sound source and use the Techscrew left-right channel test video to check if the headphones are working correctly. The link to the full test video is in the description. Then check the phase test as well. If everything sounds as it should be, I applaud. You have saved at least $60 by not buying new headphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, I'm wishing you all the best and a long life of your headphones. Bye.